Let us dispense with the fiction that Wikno Chivayo is the benevolent philanthropist. The birthday bash proved what we have long argued. Chivayo, the man who donated a fleet of luxury vehicles to provincial party chairpersons, is merely a frontman. He is a water carrier, the true source of this slash fund on wheels. The man turning provincial leaders into salivating vassals in President Mnangagwa himself. Sandamida mashoko budapangwa iyo kuchunukwa kunzi. Perhaps this Munhumutapa day was his last birthday. The final act, Kitten's clause on a presidency of Oplanda. Sandamida mashoko arubudapangwa ino kuchunukwa kunzi ayo matebo za kutena kuzikananda ndogo subscribe or like on the bell. Continue na mumla yibamchinze. The event of the day were a brazen display of this new hierarchy, a calculated humiliation of every institution of the state. Chivayo traveled in the presidential helicopter, a perch from which his patron could show him the kingdom he is set to inherit. He was seen holding the president's purse and funds, a shocking and intimate transfer of the symbols of state authority, a visual confirmation of who now truly controls the national treasury. But the final desecration was his participation in the bestowing of awards and medals. This was the ultimate humiliation of our uniformed forces and our civil servants. The act of bestowing honors is a sovereign function, a sacred trust between the state and its people. By allowing a man whose wealth is a subject of national suspicions to partake in this ritual, the president rendered those honors meaningless. He sent a clear message. The state has been privated and sovereignty is now for sale. Thomas Kwaruda pangwa ino ma critics pangwa ine wachata kamtungamiri wenyika pangwa ine uchonoka nzwiki na Chivayo onza awadie kuhendla the national treasury potse ndiye angava akutohendla mapowers enyika. Mbotudze mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section mezvo mafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like, so don't turn the bell icon.